Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is Daema washing machine. Customer has called me. They cannot use this washing machine. So let's see actually what is the problem. So let me power it on and start button. See, this is the problem F1 error code. F1 error code. So let's see how to fix it. Very easy way. If it is F1 error codes, so we have to turn it off. Then we'll remove the back cover. There are two screws, Daema 7 kg. So actually problem this sensor, water sensor. So I'll remove this water sensor, then I'll put new water sensor, then video will be back. So dear viewers, I have connected new. This is the old one and this is the new. I have connected the new sensor. So let's see how is it. If it's all okay, then I'll fix back. So let's see. Let me turn it on and start. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. See, it's washing. So actually its problem is only this water sensor. Yeah, so I'll fix back all the things, include hose pipe, then we will be back. Okay dear bears, so I have fixed there. So I have fixed it there. So I put water connector also. So Alhamdulillah, now it's washing fine. So actually it was problem only this water sensor. So thank you dear bears. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.